So today in the kitchen, we're gonna be cooking the sweet and sour chicken with jasmine rice. And I have my sous chefs with me as we're all working from home. Here we have Aino and Ryan, and they like cooking in general. And we're gonna be using their help, little fingers, to help with the chopping and measuring and stirring and so forth. A nice recipe and a nice activity to do as a whole family with a great outcome of good food. So wish us luck. See you later.
Juice the orange. Then place 50 or 75 or 100 milliliters of the orange juice, all of the pineapple juice, the sweet chili sauce, ketchup, vinegars, soy sauce, sugar and garlic powder into a small saucepan. Separately in a smaller glass, whisk either 1.5 or 2 tablespoons of water with 2, 3 or 4 teaspoons of cornstarch until smooth. Then add the starch mixture to the pot. So for these, please have a look at your recipe card whether you ordered for 2, 3 or 4 people so you get the right quantities. Place the sauce pot over a medium heat and cook, stirring continuously until the mixture starts to bubble. Once bubbling, reduce the heat to low and cook, stirring for 2 to 3 minutes further or until glossy and thickened a bit. Set aside. Chop the chicken. Place the remaining cornstarch on a plate and season with salt. Turn the chicken in the starch and set aside. Dice the bell peppers.
Okay, very good.
Slice the spring onion. Drain the pineapple and cut into chunks.
Jasmine rice.
Rinse the jasmine rice. Add the rice, measured water and a pinch of salt to a pan with a lid and bring to a boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover and cook for 10 to 12 minutes or until the water is absorbed and the rice is cooked. Remove from the heat and keep covered until serving.
Are you videoing me?
Meanwhile, heat a large pan over medium-high heat with a generous drizzle of vegetable oil. Once hot, add the coated chicken and fry for 4 to 5 minutes or until nicely browned. Transfer the chicken to a plate. Return the pan to the heat with another drizzle of oil. Then stir-fry the bell peppers with a pinch of salt for 3 minutes until slightly softened. Add the spring onions back to the pan together with the chicken, pineapple, cashew nuts and the sweet and sour sauce. Simmer for final 2 to 3 minutes, making sure to give everything a good mix. Serve over the rice and garnish with the remaining spring onion. Enjoy!
So I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and learning how to cook this amazing staple Chinese recipe of the sweet and sour chicken. As you can see, the plates are nearly empty, so it's an easy, nice recipe to do with the whole family. A great activity to do at these times when we are all at home. Just words of warning, this video was highly edited, so you might have missed a couple of flossies and other sort of food fights that we had on here in the kitchen. But otherwise, it's a great opportunity to read how to read instructions, to measure things, right? So if you like this video,
Like and subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Bye bye.